So if you have received a PDF file from your office or from a friend which needs editing and you're just struggling with it and you've tried to search for a video on YouTube and you've landed up here, so then you're in the right place. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Momin and today I have a video for you guys. It's a software from Wondershare. They produce lots of other softwares, and this software is specifically on PDFelement. Now, why am I making this video? I was struggling to find a decent piece of software to edit my PDF files and I couldn't find out anything. So after my research, I came across through this company. I was lucky enough, they sent me a product and I'm going to review it. In fact, I've tried it. I really loved it because you can do all sorts of stuff in it. Of course, the main thing is you want to edit your text, you want to save it, and of course you want to compile all other PDF files into one major big file, and you can even compress it and you can send it to get it signed off as well. So it's got all the bells and whistles which you need in a PDF software. The greatest thing I liked about it is the interface. So guys, without any delay, let's get into it and let's check out the product and see how it functions. This is the Wondershare website. Just to give you a quick brief about it, that they produce, as I said, a lot of other softwares like Filmora, PDFelement, Recover It, and Dr.Phone, which I'm not going to go into detail about, but my main concentration is going to be on the PDFelement software. I'll put a link in the description below and you can go ahead, you can try it, and you can get a discount as well. From the looks of it, you can see it clearly says over here that you can edit, convert, and you can comment on any PDF file. And this is what you actually need in a PDF software, because PDFs are so difficult to manage and it's very hard if you make mistakes and you convert those documents into PDF and it gets very complicated, then you can't really change anything. And with this PDFelement, you have the ability to add different elements to it so that you can adjust it according to your need. As you can see over here, it's been recognized by big companies like Deloitte, Bombardier, and so on, which is a good thing, and it's of course trusted by a lot of people. So you can go ahead, you've got 3 different options to buy it: the standard, pro, and the business version. And if I hit buy now, it'll give you the pricing over here. For a Mac, I have the software for the Mac, which I've downloaded it. So for an individual, you have the yearly plan for $89, which is not bad, and it gives you all these different features here. So it's worth looking at their website before you go ahead to buy the software, but you can always give it a try, and if you like it, the idea is that you should go and buy it. I have downloaded the installer. After we've installed it, just hit open and it'll open up. Over here on my desktop, I have an invoice. So here is our sample document. This is the interface which I was talking about. That interface is absolutely brilliant. It's not cluttered, it's very easy to understand. So this document is in PDF. The first option we have over here is markup, and in markup we can highlight, we can strike through, we can underline, and so on, and we can add a text box as well. So I'm just going to show you by highlighting the text, and it will not only highlight it basically pops out the text below the highlight, and I could highlight the tax invoice as well. So we've done with that, and then we have text. So we can add a text. So when I click text, we have these options over here. So in this, all this can be edited. Now, because I have done the optical character recognition of this document, if your document doesn't highlight these portions, then you need to OCR the document first, and then it would be able to sense that these are letters and characters, and then you can change it. In this option, what I'll do is I'll change the test company. Just zoom this out, and I'll type in build to say Momin NZ YouTube videos. Now that's gone to the second line. All you have to do is you just have to stretch it and it'll come up, and you can click anywhere else. I was able to change and edit any of the text in the document. Third, we have an option called image. Anything what we click on the left bar would highlight and change on the top. So top is the sort of sub option of this left tab, right? So if I were to hit add image, so I can go ahead and add an image, add it anywhere. So basically I just wanted to add it over here. What I can do is I can resize it and literally move it, so you can you can add any sort of image, your picture or a map or anything. In my case, it's just a test map which I've just put in, so it's got nothing to do with this invoice, but you can understand and you can get the feel of it, that what this software can actually do. You've got the ability to change your text, you can add pictures, you can do all sorts of other stuff. And one of the features which I really like is you can also add a link to it, and a form is the really nice feature which I really like. So if you have a PDF form for your customers and you're building up a form, so what you can do is you can add a checkbox, and that will be your checkbox, and you can even write something over here in front. You can also add a button like a OK button, and that will be the OK button over here. So this checkbox will obviously work when we hit the preview, and we can go and you can see that it is now a checkbox, and over here this one is like an OK button. And apart from that, we have a list box, a drop down as well, and a text field. So in this text field I could just go ahead and start typing over here. I can type the name over here, so I could say it says text test, and it's visible, it's on the left, and the default value, and you can even add a tooltip. So this is test 1, right? So, and if I hit preview, and it just gives me a sort of a tooltip on the top. So all you have to do is you have to adjust it according to your actual need. You have to decide what you actually require in the first instance, and then from there on you can amend or make your document accordingly. And you've got redaction tools as well, which basically black out and remove any sensitive content which you need to do that. And you have all your tools section over here, and you've got OCR text recognition over here. So guys, this was my quick video for the PDFelement Pro software. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll put the links in the description below. As I said again, it's an extremely helpful piece of software. I would seriously advise you to buy this software, because it will really make your work and your life much easier. So guys, thanks once again, and catch you in my next video. Bye bye.